meep, 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 meep.
Mr. Mom's Racing.
Mustangs, China, Malaysia.
You heard it from BFG himself. Okay, got BFG doing the Mustang weigh-in on our MGG custom sponge. What up?
Isn't that Michael's diecast garage?
Sure is, Frankie. Wow. Hey, look at BFG's big effing gorilla finger. Okay. China.
It's only 43. How'd that happen?
43, okay. 44. Oh, mine's a little heavier. Okay. Okay, we got them weighed.
You know, China had one less rice bowl.
What are we going to do now, Joe?
Let's get them wrapped.
Let's do it. Mustangs, China versus Malaysia. Mr. Mon Joe, where's China? Where's Malaysia?
So we got Malaysia over there.
Okay, day.
China over here.
Okay, Dana. Okay. Look, Calgary. Action there. All right. On the 60-footer. Out of commission. Sorry, guys. No helicopter cam tonight. Okay, day. So we're about 2/3 of the way on the 60-footer. China versus Malaysia. They're wrapped. Look at that. Butterfinger all the way. Butterfinger all the way. Woo! Let's not call it yet, guys. We're going to do a lane change. Butterfinger, 53.31. Hold tight. Okay, guys, got a lane change. Malaysia versus China. Mustangs. Okay, Mr. Monjo, let her rip. Wow, what a whoop at that time. Wow. Okay, you guys. Wow, what a whoop at that time. Wow. No sudden death on this one. Butterfinger. Winner, China. Malaysia? Not so much. You know what, Mr. Monjo? I forgot to reset the timer. Doesn't matter. It's still lost. Okay, Mr. Mom's Racing over and Mr. Mom's Racing.